Monterey researchers were surprised to find garbage way out in the ocean, on islands with no inhabitants. This trash was pushed to the shore by the currents you see in this picture.
Disposable products outlast the user by generation after generation, right? Our great-great-great-great-great-grandkids are still going to have to deal with the plastic that we have produced today.
You know, animals aren't like humans where we just eat whenever we want to. They only eat if they're hungry, and if they're full of plastic and they're not digesting a plastic bag, then they think they're full and they're not going to eat anymore and they can starve.
For not just the mola, but sea turtles and other animals as well that do prey upon jellyfish and see a plastic bag and they think it's a jelly. And so they eat the jelly, or the plastic bag I should say, and then what happens is it gets stuck in their throats and then they end up suffocating. Or if it does get... We don't need them. We didn't need them before. We got along fine as humans up until, 50 years ago when we started using plastic bags. We don't need them now. You know, you can bring your own bags.
How does marine debris affect jellies and anemones?
The marine debris affects everyone, but for some, like anemones, it can also be a good thing. These deep-sea creatures create habitats out of tires, bags, and other trash. The homes that anemones make can be harmful because of toxins and chemicals that are released into the creature. Since they have moved from their natural habitat, the temperature, unusual surrounding, and predators could also be harmful if they don't adapt quickly.
Jellies are often mistaken for plastic bags by marine mammals such as otters and turtles. After consuming the plastic, it destroys their insides and can trick their stomach into thinking they're full. This might also propose another problem by disrupting the food chain. With jelly predators dying from plastic, the jelly population could flare up. Marine debris could change the ocean forever.
What can we do to help this problem? Some simple things are:
You can use reusable water bottles and bags for grocery shopping.
Bring your own utensils and straws to help conserve plastic.
Buy in bulk to avoid using one-use plastics.
participate in beach cleanups like on September 17th.
Avoid imported goods by buying from your local store.
Thank you to the following for participating in our video project:
Captain Dave Robinson and First Mate Sean McPeak with Sea Life Conservation,
Chris Reeves,
Kyra Schilling,
Shannon Johnson,
Mbari,
and a very special thanks to Camp Sea
Lab.
Lab. Woo!